In the previous class we discussed the topic, general body cleanliness, teeth brushing. General body cleanliness means how you keep your body clean and neat always. Tooth brushing is the act of scrubbing teeth up and down with a toothbrush with toothpaste. In today's class we will be learning health and hygiene, care of the nails and hair. The fingernails are found on our fingers and toes. They protect our fingers and toes. The nails keep growing through life. It does not stop growing, that is why we must take good care of our fingernails and toenails. How to keep our nails clean. Always wash your hands before and after using the toilet. Always wash your hands before and after eating. Do not suck your fingernails. Keep your fingers dry and clean always. Do not bite your fingernails with your teeth. Do not keep long fingernails. Long fingernail harbor diets and germs. Use sanitizer. So, washing hands with soap and water is usually not enough to keep the underside of the nail clean.